In today's video, we will see how to make this delicious butterscotch cake. First, we are going to prepare the caramel sauce. For that, I have taken a pan and added half cup sugar. Keep the flame medium. You can find the cake-based recipe video link in the iCard, which is already uploaded in my channel, and I am going to use the same recipe. Just make sure to use butterscotch essence instead of vanilla essence while preparing the cake. Once sugar has completely melted, add 1/4 cup butter. Butter should be at room temperature. Start mixing and please be very careful since this mixture is very hot. Now add half cup fresh cream and mix well. As soon as you mix it, switch off the flame and let it cool down to room temperature. Meanwhile, we can start preparing the praline. For that, heat 3/4 cup sugar in a pan. Keep the flame medium and let the sugar melt completely. Also keep half cup crushed almonds ready. Once the sugar melts completely, add 2 tablespoons butter and then add the crushed almonds. Switch off the flame and mix well. Keep the grease surface ready and pour this mixture. Once it cools down, break it into pieces. Keep aside few pieces for decoration. Take the other pieces in a Ziploc bag, seal it and crush it using the rolling pin. For frosting, I am using non-dairy whipped cream, and to that I am adding yellow food color. Please use gel color if possible. I didn't have that with me, that's why using liquid color. I have uploaded a separate video on stabilized whipped cream. Please watch that if you're interested to know how to whip cream correctly. Now let's start decorating the cake. Divide the cake into 2 equal layers. Apply some whipped cream and place the first cake layer. This will ensure our cake remains in place. Pour some sugar syrup on top. You can prepare sugar syrup by mixing 1/4 cup sugar and 1/4 cup water. Now apply some whipped cream. I have piped the whipped cream since I feel it's easier this way for beginners. Take a spatula and spread it well. Pour some caramel sauce. And sprinkle the crunchies. Take the second cake layer and follow the same step. This time we are going to cover the sides as well. If we do this way, it becomes easier to spread the whipped cream. Now take an offset spatula and smooth out the cream. Take some butterscotch crunchies and stick to the sides like so. Remove the excess. Take the caramel sauce and pour at the edges. Please use a piping bag to do this step. That way it comes out clean. I was so lazy for that, but later I realized I should have done that way. So use a piping bag while doing this step. Now make some swirls like so. And pour the remaining caramel sauce in the middle. Take the pieces which we had kept for decoration and place those in the center and make a swirl here as well. Finally, decorate the edges like so. And our delicious butterscotch cake is ready.